Here are the 2.0 INSMART computer speakers. These speakers come with a RGB light that changes color randomly as the music plays. You could disable it by pressing a button on top of the speaker with the volume knob. It's compatible, it's USB powered, has enough power to power a small desktop computer, a laptop, or wherever you need USB speakers. And it also has a headphone jack where you could plug in your headphones and listen through your headphones and control the volume on your headphones with the speaker knob. These are 5 watts each speaker. They deliver a nice decent sound with a compact design, easy to set up. So these help dress up your desktop table without little effort. With the lights, and the sound is pretty good quality for what you get. So just take a listen of how it sounds on the video. Hard to translate, but it's pretty good for the price. You know, you're not going to get high audio quality, but this definitely does the job.